Hey guys, let's see how to connect a MacBook to a projector. In this case, I have a HY300 projector, but it works with any projector as long as you have AirPlay working there or you have a cable. So you can connect via HDMI cable or via AirPlay. Let me just show here first via AirPlay. So I have my MacBook already working here and the projector working back there. Then I just grab my remote control and I look for this feature here, which is screencast. Of course, it's different for different projectors. Just look for a screencast or something similar and come here and look for AirPlay. There we go. Here I have this option for AirPlay. Just take a look back there. And that's the one that's going to work with my projector and my MacBook, right? Something else you need to check. Take a look at there on the top of the screen. I have my current network, my Wi-Fi. So if I come here to the settings, you can do the same with your projector, no matter the brand. Just look for the network and check which network your projector is connected to. You see here mine is connected to my Wi-Fi-24. Okay, so what I have to do is just come here to my MacBook and check the same. So I come here to the network and I see that I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi-24, exactly the same network. Okay, so pretty important. Then if you have this and you have AirPlay available there, and in some projectors you just need to enable. In my case here, it's enabled by default. You see here screencast and I have AirPlay. There's no option to enable. It's just right there. So I just come here to my MacBook Pro and here I have the option to screen mirroring. See here? Let me just approach so you see better that I can just click here on screen mirroring. I'm just get some focus here. There we go. Okay, the options available here. Then I click it and I see the projector back there. HY300 Pro Plus. That's my projector with the AirPlay. I just connect and it starts mirroring back there. See, super simple. Via AirPlay, both in the same network. Okay, this is one option. Then you can just come here and change the display. Instead of mirroring, you can also extend. Let me just stop mirroring here. There we go. And then I can use cable as well. So I'm gonna get this cable here. That's HDMI to USB-C. Okay. But you can also use HDMI to HDMI depending on the MacBook connection that you have. I have here for HDMI and for USB-C as well. So you just connect your cable here to the projector, HDMI, and the other end here I'm going to connect to my MacBook, right? And guys, you need to use the correct cable because some of them just don't work. Okay, I've been testing this one works pretty fine. Okay, so see that something changes here, but I don't see it there yet because I just need to come there and select the HDMI input. You see that I have back there HDMI, so I just click on it, wait for it to connect, and there we go. It's working, right? Via HDMI. Super simple. So basically, that's the way you can connect your MacBook Pro to a projector using HDMI cable or using AirPlay. Okay, I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments here, and I see you in the next video.